Hello everybody and welcome to a new part of the assembling of this wonderful Audi. Today we start with this electronic switch. Perhaps so it is better. I found it on Banggood. It's the first time I use this one, and this is to switch on and off the lights from the radio. I used in the past to do this with the Graupner one. It's very it's not so expensive. It's under 30 euros, but this is about 5-6. Let's try to see how does it works. This goes into the receiver, and this to the lights, and this is from the battery. These wires are very long, and I'm thinking to do a good work. Wait a minute. Okay, I want to put it here, cutting wires in the right measure. This I will leave long so I can put easily into the body wiring. So cut and so on. Let's start the work. So, have you seen in the slideshow, we have made the wiring for the 3 lamps, and now we have to mount on the car. In the meanwhile, I've mounted the 2 LED on the lamps here. I have made 2 holes, extra holes, here in the middle, for the wiring. First the wiring. See that the wire comes out here, exactly where this has to pass. So I have made this. Okay. That's it. And now the other one. Now we have to connect all the wires. Well, after a quite long work, I have all my front lights working and the 2 rear also. I tried some different way to connect the wiring, but the traditional way, 2 LEDs and one resistor, how do you call that? The electronic things that take voltage down, because we need 3 volts. So I made this It's not very nice to see, but it stays in a little space. And now I have to let the wiring run around the body. And I found this way. You see this one. I don't see it on the contrary. This is double-sided tape, adhesive tape, with a very thin plastic sheet. This is 0.25 millimeters, and here you can see how does it work. By this side the double tape, and by this side the plastic inside the wire. Now I cut the excess of plastic away. I peel off the protection on the adhesive tape. It's not so easy. It's very good adhesive tape, but it's very difficult to peel out. Wow, here it is. Here it is. No, here it is. Where is it? Oh, la. Nice. Then I have to put here in a good position. Done. Okay. And perhaps I need another one. Okay, the work is done. Everything works. And this is the complete wiring. And now the first check. Let's try. Bam. Look how is it fast, this switch. Over here. You can very good. Now the glasses. Lamps with glasses, much more better. Wonderful. What a light. Okay.